Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into LifeMattyerial. I hope you had a great week. Happy Friday. Today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite spring and summer cocktails to make at home. It is a blood orange Aperol Spritz. Now this is one of my favorite cocktails to make when it's warm out because it's easy to make, it's really bright, looks really pretty, and it's so refreshing. Now this is Aperol right here. If you haven't used it, basically it's an Italian liqueur. It has some orange and kind of rhubarb sweetness to it and some herbal undertones. The cool thing about this is once you first taste it, it tastes a little sweet. But then as it gets down your palate, it turns a tiny bit bitter. But it's awesome for lighter summer cocktails. So I think you guys will really love this. So let's get started. So first we're gonna take a wine glass and fill it with some ice. Nothing beats a nice icy cold cocktail on a hot day. So we got some ice in here. Now what we're going to do is first put about 2.5 ounces of Aperol in, right over the ice. See, it's nice and bright and orange. And then I have the juice from 1/2 blood orange. Now, if you don't have a blood orange, you totally can use just a regular orange. You even could use grapefruit too. And then we're gonna top this off with about 4 ounces of prosecco. Look at that. And then we're gonna take a little bit of soda water and just kind of do a splash right on top. Now what I like to do is, when I make these spritzes, I like to put a slice of the orange right inside. And then I like to take another slice, I cut a little notch into it and hook it right on the side there. And then I like to add a little bit of mint for garnish. It makes it look really great, but also a little citrus and mint. It always tastes great together. So let's give it a little stir. And let's have a taste. That is so good. It's just nice and crisp and refreshing, and I think you guys are really gonna love it. I'm gonna have another sip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cocktail recipe. Just remember, today is a great day to make it an awesome day. Don't forget to subscribe below, and I'll see you next time. Take care.